আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। Today I talk about myself. My name is Abu Saim. My father name is Jainab Hussain. I am a student. The name of my madrasa is Jamia Islam Madaniya. My home is in Motherganj. I am Hafiz of the Holy Quran. Our prophet name is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our religion is Islam. I love Allah and His Messenger. My favorite color is white. My favorite hobby is reading book. My favorite book is Holy Quran. I love myself very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.